Hey there! Today, we're diving into a common security problem that many macOS users may encounter. Picture this. You're going about your day, minding your own business, when suddenly you realize there might be some compromised entries in your credentials. Yikes. But fear not, because I've got a solution up my sleeve that will help you tackle this problem head-on. Let's talk solution. By following these steps, you can export your keychain files using a nifty tool called Keysafe. Simply run the command precode.keysafe path, library keychains login.keychain, db export desktop exported.tgz code pre. This will allow you to seamlessly export the contents to a text-based file, giving you easy access to your credentials in a secure manner. Problem solved. In conclusion, by utilizing the power of Keysafe and following the specified command, you can effectively manage and export your keychain files on macOS. Say goodbye to security concerns and hello to peace of mind. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, stay secure and stay savvy.